Hello, beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat, and you're watching Planning Calm. And here on this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now, in this video, I thought I would share a planner update. This is a planner update. We're well into Q2 of the planning season of the year, and I thought I would share with you kind of how things are going, a realistic view of what's working, what's not working in my planners, and just kind of take you through what I've been loving and any changes that I foresee in the future to help calm and simplify my planning game. So before we dive in, I do want to just put out there that unfortunately I forgot one of my planners at home. I was in a rush this morning, so my composite notebook is the only planner type tool that's missing, but I wanted to film this video because this is the only time I have this week to film. So please keep that in mind that I don't have my planner notebook with me. But if you'd like to see how I use it, I will throw links down below in the description. As well, I will throw it up in a card on some of my notebook playlists to give you some idea on how I use that for my planner. So the first one here, I have 3 planners that I'm using, actually 4 or 5 depending on how you look at it, but I'll tell you just kind of what I'm using them for. And this is my mini composite notebook. And now this is a planner of sorts in that I use this to document my communications with parents this year. And really it's been working great because it's compact and I'm able to kind of take it around with me wherever I go, and it's been great. So unfortunately I can't show you any of the notes inside or any of the writing inside, but just know that this mini composite notebook along with my other large composite notebook have been great additions to my planner game this year. Next up is my kind of travel notebook style system. Now this, I got the cover of this, it's from Moterm rather, and it's in my Amazon storefront. So I'll put a link to all the items shown here in my Amazon storefront in case you want to pick them up. But this planner is fantastic. I really love this planner. If I'm in a pinch and I need to kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I use this as my wallet as well, and I keep my cards, so my cashier rather, in this section, and my cards in the back, and any other planner related things that I need. For the sake of this video, I took out my personal effects here, but I have personal effects in here. I have a notebook for brain dump and one for my planning channel, planner ideas, things like that. But here I just basically just jot down all the things I need. Sometimes I use stickers, sometimes I don't, but this lives with me and goes with me no matter where I go, and it's such a great little planner. If you're somebody who loves to plan on the go, loves the convenience of a just a style of planner that has things laid out for you in a simple, easy to use way. And I mean, a little bit expensive, but I mean, what planner stuff isn't expensive, but you will not regret it. It's so great, and I absolutely love it. And then next up is my baby. This is my my everyday, such a great comprehensive planner. And this is the Commonplace. I always say Commonplace. This is the Common Planner by Sterling Ink. And as you know, I absolutely love this planner. Open it up. I have my prayer board here that I look at every time I crack this planner open of all the things I want. I am accomplishing these goals, and it just feels so good. And one of the reasons why I'm accomplishing this is because of you folks. And so thank you so much if you're watching and commenting, subscribing, and liking. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. You're making my dreams come true. But yeah, here's my prayer board that I have here. And this planner has it all. I use the monthly view just to kind of keep track of things that are happening this month. I color code things, so December was green and January was light blue and so on. April is purple, so all the things related to this month here are purple in theme. So when I go through, I can visualize, okay, so this was April, this happened in April, just switch it through. And I'm a color-coded type of girl, and that just works for me. And so I really, really love that. But month view here, I just keep any highlights here. And then the weekly view, I've been loving the weekly view. Sometimes I use stickers, sometimes I don't. It really depends on kind of what's going on, and if I have time, if I'm sick, if I'm busy. And as you can see, I have the purple theme just running through the weeks. Last month was that turquoise sea green for March. But I've been really loving this planner. Now, sometimes if I have extra time, I throw some washi in there, but I don't stress myself. If I do have it, I will. If I don't, I won't. And it just works. It just works wonders for me. And so I'm really, really grateful for this planner. It's just been great at keeping things together and in check, and it's wonderful. And these pages back here, and I showed you this before, so I'll make sure this is quick to respect your time, but I use these pages here as my like journaling pages. And here I just, things that I'm feeling, experiencing, going through. I put a highlights page on the first of the month, and sometimes I write, sometimes I don't. And it's just such a great thing. And honestly, I try not to stress myself out about it. Sometimes I use stickers, sometimes I don't, but I love these journaling pages. It's just so great to be able to, just kind of document certain things that are happening, and sometimes they happen, sometimes they don't. And, whatever I, want to jot down in here, in this planner here, I just transfer over if I need to or want to. If I don't have time, I don't. It's just the way I roll these days. And sometimes, like this day, I was just too busy to plan, and that's okay. I just keep it rolling. And sometimes I'm sick, and just life be lifing, and it's okay. I'm not stressed out or worried or bothered. That's the beauty of the flexibility of this planner, is because nothing is dated. You have undated note pages here and journal pages that you can just change up and work with how you want, and I love that. Then lastly is my kind of household planner, and this is the Passionate Penny Pincher Planner. Now, a lot of you have reached out to me on Instagram asking, where's the link for this planner? I need to have this planner. I love this planner, blah, 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 blah. It looks great. And I must admit, this is a lovely planner, but I have not been filling it in consistently as I thought I would. The monthly views, the notes I haven't been putting in, but the monthly views and my bills and things like that I put in there, but everything else I just kind of forget about. And so the monthly view, I'm using just a chart, pretty much our household, everything, household activities, what needs to be fixed, what doesn't need to be fixed. What I love about the pages, and bear with me, some of these pages are not complete, but that's okay. It's so comprehensive because if you kind of if you're, your mom, you got kids, you got activities, you got a lot of things on the go, you're working, and you need to keep track of all the things, this is a planner for you. And I don't have the lifestyle necessarily for this planner, but I still absolutely love this planner. Like, I still love it, and I still use it, but I don't use it as intensively as one could use it. And for this month, for instance, again, no notes here. I just don't have time. I can be honest. And here I have just a jot down of just our household things. Now, I do have the pages filled out for April, but because it's our household planner and I have a lot of bills and personal things, we have taxes this month, I can't show you those pages because there's a lot of personal information on it. But just know that this makes a fantastic household planner. Now, do you have to run out and grab this planner? Will your life be over? Can you not plan if you don't have this planner? No. You can still accomplish all the things you can and want to accomplish with any old planner. And honestly, the notebook system has worked great for me as well. You really don't need to spend a lot of money to plan calmly and to plan, effectively. You just use what you got, boo. For me, I'm a planner nerd, a planner addict, so I'm gonna go above and beyond my planner needs sometimes, and I've budgeted for that, and it makes sense to me. Plus, I have a planner channel, so it makes sense to showcase a lot of different planners. But for all those who are watching and who are kind of on the fence of, what can complete their planner needs, trust me when I tell you, for one planner lover to another, you don't need all the things, you don't need all the planners. Just pick one thing that works for you, even if it's a notebook, and just write it down and get it done. That's all you need to do. And that is my quick planner update. Another thing I want to showcase is this book sleeve that I've been just kind of using as a makeshift planner planner pouch or planner caddy. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront, and I keep some stickers here. I can keep my stickers in the zip pouch. I can keep it in this part here, and I just load up my planners in here, any planners that I need to take on the go, take to class, take to appointments, whatever. I just put it in here, zip it up, and I'm good to go. This has been working out great. I do have 2 of these, love them, they're so great, and it has really helped with my planning game. But like I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money, you don't have to do all the things, you don't have to buy all the products in order to plan your way to calm. You can just, use what you have, make it work for you, and most importantly, have fun with it. That's what I try to do when it comes to planning. And I'm really excited about my planning this year. I feel like I got my groove. I got my planning groove, and it just feels good. It just feels great to still enjoy my stickers, still enjoy the simplicity of notebook planning in all its forms, to have my, kind of carry-all planner, just kind of my doodle and enjoy life journal type planner, where I keep my time with God and all the other things in here, and then my household planner where my husband and I keep our financials and personal and household type things, and it just works. It just works. I'm happy with it, no complaints. And if you're somebody who's more a simplified planner, pick one of these and just roll with it, honey, and you will have that planning calm life that you want, and still have time to, have that self-care, spend time with family, and do all the things that you want to do to help bring you calm in your life. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. If you did find it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more planning content to come. And until next time, planner peeps, take care, be well, and be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.